Hey guys, how's it going? How to turn off Discord join sound. So in order for this to work out, you need to use your browser. You need to log in. Discord using your browser. Now what you're gonna do, click the settings here at the bottom. Okay, and then now what you're gonna do, you're gonna scroll over down to find notifications. Right, go ahead and click, and you're gonna be able to see the different notifications for different for different settings. Let's say for example right here, messages, defend, undefend, and you have the user join, right, or join sound. Go ahead and turn it off, and basically that's it. Okay, so let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Don't forget to update your app to the latest version in order to get access to all the new features. We will definitely see you in the next one. Peace.